Imagine if something as simple as the oil you use could completely change how your body feels, recovers, and performs as you age. If you're a man over 50 and you've noticed reduced sensitivity, weaker firmness, or slower recovery, you might think it's just part of aging. But what if I told you that the right natural oils could help restore comfort, protect tissue health, and even support stronger, longer-lasting performance? Not pills, not enhancement products, just simple, natural oils used the right way. As we get older, our bodies change in subtle ways. After 50, your skin produces far less of its natural oils, sometimes as little as 40% of what it did in your younger years. This means the delicate skin in intimate areas becomes more vulnerable to dryness, irritation, and even microtears that chip away at sensitivity over time. Add to this the natural decline in collagen and elasticity, and you've got thinner, slower healing skin that doesn't bounce back as it once did. And let's not forget circulation. Blood vessels lose some of their responsiveness with age, making it harder to maintain firmness. But here's the fascinating part. Certain natural oils can actually help counter these changes. They don't just sit on the surface like most store-bought lubricants. Instead, they penetrate gently into the skin, nourishing the tissue, reducing inflammation, and even improving local blood flow. The result? Greater comfort, improved sensitivity, and enhanced firmness that feels more natural and sustainable. Now you might wonder, why not just use commercial lubricants? The problem is that many contain chemicals like glycerin, parabens, and other additives. These provide temporary slickness but often irritate sensitive tissue with long-term use. They weren't designed for skin health. Natural oils, on the other hand, deliver fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants that actively restore tissue health while keeping everything comfortable. It's a long-term investment in both pleasure and protection. Let's start with one of the most popular choices, coconut oil. Virgin, unrefined coconut oil contains lauric acid, caprylic acid, and vitamin E. These compounds help fight off harmful bacteria, improve circulation, and keep the skin supple. Many men even report that coconut oil helps them maintain firmness longer, while the vitamin E content promotes healing and elasticity. The key is to warm a small amount in your hands before applying, so it melts smoothly. Just be mindful if you're prone to ingrown hairs, since coconut oil can clog pores in hair-bearing areas. If your main concern is sensitivity, sweet almond oil may be the better choice. This lighter oil absorbs quickly, delivering vitamin E along with B vitamins like riboflavin and niacin, which support nerve health. Think of it as food for your nerve endings. It calms inflammation, enhances sensitivity, and provides a perfect not too thick, not too thin glide that lasts. Just remember, if you have a nut allergy, this one's not for you. For men looking to improve firmness and blood flow, grapeseed oil stands out. It's rich in antioxidants that strengthen blood vessel walls and improve circulation. Regular use can make the skin feel more resilient while enhancing responsiveness. Its silky consistency feels smooth and light, though it may require reapplication during longer sessions. Jojoba oil offers another unique benefit. It closely mimics the body's own natural oils. This makes it one of the best choices for improving overall skin health. Packed with vitamin E, B vitamins, and minerals like zinc and copper, jojoba oil supports tissue repair and nerve function. It absorbs beautifully without leaving a sticky residue, and has an exceptionally long shelf life. Many men with sensitive skin find it the most reliable, irritation-free option. And finally, argan oil, the premium choice. While more expensive, its rich blend of vitamin E, squalene, and ferulic acid make it a powerhouse for aging skin. It helps restore elasticity, improve moisture retention, and support blood vessel health. Many men say argan oil gives them the best balance between comfort, absorption, and long-lasting glide. If you're willing to invest, it can be an excellent addition to your routine. Now you don't need all 5 oils. In fact, it's better to start simple. If you want all-around support, start with coconut oil. If sensitivity is your issue, go for almond oil. If firmness and circulation are the priority, try grapeseed. For skin health, jojoba is excellent. And if you want a premium experience, argan may be worth it. A quick tip: apply your chosen oil 5 to 10 minutes before activity. This gives the skin time to absorb the nutrients while still providing surface lubrication. Always warm it in your hands first, use just enough for glide, and reapply as needed. For extended sessions, keep the bottle nearby. Most oils will need a refresh every 20 to 30 minutes. Some men even like to experiment with blends. For example, mixing almond oil with vitamin E oil can help restore sensitivity. A jojoba argan mix can provide both deep nourishment and luxurious comfort. Just be cautious with essential oils, like peppermint or lavender. They can add extra effects but must always be diluted carefully, no more than 1 drop per tablespoon of carrier oil. Of course, a few precautions are important. Always test a new oil on your inner arm first to check for reactions. If you're using condoms, remember that oils degrade latex, so you'll need to use polyurethane or polyisoprene instead. And always practice good hygiene. Wash before and after use to avoid irritation or infection. Here's the best part. When you commit to using quality oils consistently, the benefits compound over time. Within weeks, many men notice improved sensitivity, better circulation, and healthier, more resilient skin. Over months, you may even reverse some of the cumulative damage caused by years of inadequate lubrication. It's not just about comfort in the moment. It's about preserving your tissue health and performance well into your later years. So, if you're over 50, investing in the right natural oil might be one of the simplest and most effective steps you can take for your health, comfort, and confidence. It's not just about pleasure, it's about long-term wellness and quality of life. Before we continue, let me ask, have you ever tried switching from commercial lubricants to natural oils? If so, what difference did you notice? I'd love to hear your experience in the comments. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to The Healthy Body for more practical, natural solutions designed specifically for men's health after 50. Remember, this isn't about quick fixes, it's about sustainable care. Choose one oil, stick with it for 30 days, and observe the difference. Keep notes on your sensitivity, comfort, and recovery. You'll likely be surprised by how much can change with such a small, natural adjustment. I'm Dr. Alex, and this is The Healthy Body. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, share it with someone who might benefit, and be sure to subscribe for more science-backed health insights. Until next time, take care of your body, because it truly is the foundation of a healthy, fulfilling life.